And here we go. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to my new video. My name is Martin and today I'm happy to announce and share with all of you that I'm starting quite a big challenge for this 2025. The big challenge name, it's called Let's Learn Everything in Azure. Indeed, you heard properly. Let's learn everything in Azure. When I say everything, I mean everything. And there is a small background about that. Basically, a year and a half, something like that. Yeah, almost 2 years ago, I was planning to start this challenge and more on writing and writing a new blog post for every service with screenshots and all the stuff. But somehow I didn't find enough time in that period and in the last 2 years. And I think in the last month, I was planning really a lot. Should I start it now? Should I again postpone for a couple of more months and so on and so on? But I was strict and I decided that I think now in January, it's time to start this challenge. And basically, it's a good beginning of the year. And it will be quite interesting, if I may say like that, because not everything can be learned so easy. So I think we have some time for excuse later if it's needed. Yeah, of course, I'm kidding. But the idea is really to go and learn everything in Azure. So let me quickly share what's the plan. And indeed, here we go. On the screen, you see the official page from Microsoft where you have all the products. And basically here on the left side, we have 21 categories from all of the services and products that are offered in Microsoft Azure. So we will go one by one. For example, compute. Here it is, access your cloud capacity and so on and so on. Application service, Azure Quantum, Springs, virtual machine, and so on and so on. The main idea is to go through the documentation quickly, after that to go in Azure, create the service, explore the service, how it works, what can be configured, what can be done basically with the service. And in the meantime, to see what are the best practices when you use this service. For all of these services, under these 21 categories, basically, I'm planning to go and record basically video by video, service by service in the whole 2025. For those who are curious to learn more, feel free to click subscribe, notification, or whatever. And basically, the idea is to inspire all of you people and basically to continue learning and, of course, learn new things, inspiration, learning, motivation, all that stuff. I think it's part of this channel. And I think for this year, I think it's a good start. So I think let's start and basically let's learn everything in Azure. See you in the next video.